Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable or disable on-screen keyboard on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. In my Windows 11 computer taskbar, on-screen keyboard is enabled here. Now I'm going to show you how to disable on-screen keyboard from taskbar. Click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Click on Personalization. Now scroll down. Now click on Taskbar. Again scroll down. Look, touch keyboard, and it is enabled for always. Now click on drop down and you can select on no keyboard attached. Task keyboard will be enabled when no keyboard attached. You can select this option. Look, there is no task keyboard here in my taskbar. If you select never, that means task keyboard will never be shown in taskbar. The best practice is to enable on no keyboard attached. When your physical keyboard will be attached, then task keyboard will not be attached. Okay, now close settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.